Hi you guys! Today we're going to make a very different video in here in the waters of Kochla. In this video I'm going to challenge myself talking in English, and as well we are going to make a movement that's very good for our processes in art. I believe that is going to the street, registrate whatever touches our hearts and feels good to get as inspirational material to our processes in the watercolor. And that's something I love to do. I love to do that in the nature, but we are going to make it in the city. And today's a very rainy day here in Recife, Brazil. And I think that's going to be different. There are a lot of cars and traffic jam and things going around, but I'm going to try to go to some park or something like that and see people. I want to register people to analyze, of course, the things that are more objective as shadow and lightning and a color palette, but we are going also to feel those images and think about them and try to get inspired by them and feel the symbols that come within them and make them overflow to our art. So be welcome. And if you are new here, if you are from Brazil and you know me as your art teacher, as your watercolor teacher, please just like this video and send it to your friends and stay here, get subscribed please, because this is very challenging for me. And you know, we are here to communicate, we are here to express ourselves, and talking in English in a video wouldn't be something that I would normally do, but I'm intimidated by my soul, so I need to do it, and I'm here just obeying myself. Okay, so let's go to the video. Why the hell are you doing this? Why are you talking in English? It's so lame. You will be a joke. And those are the voices that we often hear in ourselves as we are doing art, as we are doing something different in our lives. And if we want to transform our lives, we can't be in a place in which we are always the same. So I keep telling myself that and canceling those thoughts, because it's important for me, and I know that it will be important to other people to just receive this video in English. And not that I'm that important, you know, but I know that I want to feel that I'm creating bond with more people and the collective, you know. I'm working at home and I feel that we all have something to give to the world. And today, that is the thing that I'm experimenting, and I'll give myself an opportunity for that. See what happens, you know. So let's do it. Here I'm using a simple shirt and just trying to make a better appearance to you guys. I just took a shower and organized my hair to be presentable. And that's it. Okay, let's go to the second part of the vlog, in which we are going to go out, and I'm going to think about a place that's good to go. Okay, so see ya. That's me with another face. And this is Recife at this point. Now it's not so rainy, it's cloudy actually. And I think that's going to be nice. We're going to a park that we call Jaqueira. And a lot of Recife people know. It's actually a very common park, but there are always people circling now, and there are trees and plants that I love to see and capture with my camera. And you know that I don't know if you know, but I love to mix photos with watercolors, so I can have a lot of things in my mind and to keep up with my creative flow, you know, to help myself in those moments we feel that we are not creative. So this is Bibi. Hi. Say hi to people, Bibi. Vivi is always with me, and let's go. I'm going to separate my materials right now. This is actually a very old watercolor that I have. It's an watercolor set. And in here I just put some of the paints that I used to have in the other bigger one that I don't use anymore. I'm not using those not nowadays, so this is very old, but I'm going to use it. It's very easy to have it with me in whatever space I want to. I'm going to get a small bottle of water, a little piece of paper, my sketchy, and I'm going to put it in here. Also my book, my processing book, diary, in which I organize thoughts and things in here, you know. The little pencil, rubber, and a brush. I think I found a good place to be under a tree. Don't see much people in here. This is a tree of kaja. Beautiful. This is where I'm going to be. I brought this towel. Here we are. I'm going to take my things and we are going to make some art. Change of plans. There are not so many people as I thought it would be. So I'm going to see what takes my attention and just put it into the paper. I brought pieces of paper. And if I want, I'm going to write, and if I want, I'm going to take pictures. There was just a guy in there that was playing flute to his child. Oh, he's still playing. And he's playing a song that I used to love when I was a kid and that I still love nowadays. That's from Castelo Rá-Tim-Bum's Castle. That's made for children, and I feel like I'm diving into my childhood in here. I'm just paying attention, I'm sensibilizing my senses, and that's very precious, that's very necessary nowadays, in which we are not giving us the chance to just slow down and feel and see and contemplate things around ourselves. To just make an effort to get out of home, get out from the established places that we don't want to, well, be. Here's something that I'm always saying, how important it is to just see ourselves, thinking of the life, what we want, and appreciating things, appreciating the existence. That's very, very beautiful, and the art makes me channel it, makes me feel in touch with the most precious things in life. So here we are. here. One is more controlled, and the other one received a little bit of rain and drops in here. I've accepted it as it is. I'm going to finish it or leave it like this. And now I'm going to organize my things and go lunch with my parents that are waiting for me. And that's it. Beautiful day. Now the sun is appearing. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'm tuning in here to ask you guys to subscribe, to like it, to comment what you think, if you do this often in your lives. And that's it. Thank you so much for being here, creative souls. It's so magical to watercolor in a park. And the little bird that I was reproducing in the paper, he just stood in there waiting for me to finish. That was so incredible. Thank you one more time for that, and see you guys soon. Kisses.